Tatlong pork chop ulam recipes yung gagawin natin today. Lahat may sauce. Isa may tomato, isa mala gravy, isa parang barbecue. Let's start cooking! Back to normal na ang mga buhay ng mga mami dahil kailangan na magbaon sa school yung ating mga anak. Kaya eto, 3 recipes na madaling gawin na hindi nakakasawa kasi medyo kakaiba sila. Ito, pork chop, madali lang to. Pwede din pork steak, no? Season with salt. Alam mo, if you season your pork earlier, no, ahead of time, not only will it become more flavorful, but also more tender and juicy. Kaya, if you season it with salt and pepper the night before, siguradong mas masarap yung inyong pork chop. Ito siya, mabilisan lang, no? Kasi always tayo prito. Nakakasawa. Pepper. Yan. Easy. Ito siya, tinanggal na natin yung ating skin and also yung ating bone, no? Boneless yung ating pork chops. Pwede namang meron, dahil manipis yung ating pork chops and wala siyang bone, mas mabilis siyang maluto. So, yan. Sear our pork chops. O, dala-dalawa lang, ha? Yan. And una natin gagawin is with tomatoes. Fresh tomatoes, hindi tomato sauce or tomato paste. Ito, masarap to. Sobrang simple pero masarap. Yan, bawang and kamatis. So this is 2 tomatoes wedged. Gisahin natin yung kamatis hanggang maging tender. Season with, ito, soy sauce, calamansi, and sugar. Oh, white or brown sugar. So delicious. I promise you, sobrang sarap nitong ating pork chop. Done this way, gusto mo lagyan ng sili at this time, you can add, I'll just add a little bit of black pepper. Once your tomatoes are already tender and mashed, ganyan, mashed na siya, you will, babalik natin yung ating pork chops to cook through. We can add a little bit of chicken stock or water kung gusto mo. If you need your pork chops to become tender, yan, ready to plate, pork chop. Ayan, no? And, siling pangsigang. Gusto ng konting anghang. And eto na siya, ating first pork chop recipe. Ang kinamatisang pork chop. Simple, di ba? Simple na simple. So, let's prepare our second recipe. Ito, sobrang simple din. Of course, we love simple. Flour, harina, no? Ito siya, dried oregano or whatever fresh herbs or dried herbs you have. Salt and pepper. Yan, ating flour mixture, ating pork chops, which we seasoned earlier. Now, let's start. Ito, very simple. And we will dredge our pork chops in our flour mixture. Once our pan is hot enough, gagawin natin, we will add our chops. So, we want to brown the pork on both sides. Yan, ating pork chops. It's browned. And now, we will add a little butter, no? Just a teaspoon of butter. Dagdag dinamnam ng ating pork chops. Pwede din margarine, no? If you prefer margarine. I will add my mushrooms. Ito, sliced mushrooms. And I will add my chicken stock. So, itong chicken stock natin, we will add it to braise our pork chops. So, magiging gravy-like yung ating sauce. So, yung ginagawa natin, hindi natin piniprito yung ating pork chops hanggang ma-fully cook, no? What we want, we just want to sear it and let it simmer and cook in the gravy para it will stay juicy. Yun ang ginagawa natin. If you want to add a little bit of soy sauce or liquid seasoning, you can do that for flavor. Yan, for a busy mom, or ikaw mismo magluto ka ng sarili mong ulam, it's so easy to do, so quick, so simple. And of course, it's not ordinary. It feels so special, no? Parang gourmet yung inyong baon. Very nice. Ang dali lang, no? Gusto mong tostado ang pork, you just toast the fat. Yan. A little bit of freshly chopped parsley. And eto na siya, ang ating pork chop with our mushroom gravy. So easy to do. Ito, Asian barbecue flavored pork chops ang yung gagawin natin. So simple. Again, simple ang gusto natin. But we'll have a very nice glaze. Yun, oil and our pork chops. So you can actually cook the pork chops sabay-sabay. Diba? Yeah. So let's sear the pork chops. And you can make the 3 different sauces. Sabay-sabay mo iluto yun yung pork chop. Just pour the sauces over. Or do it this way. It's up to you. Tingnan mo yung pork chop ko. Very nice brown. Ito, tatabi ko muna. Yan. Rest ka muna. Yan. Soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Tomato ketchup or banana ketchup. White sugar, brown sugar, or honey. And we will add to give it that Asian touch, sesame oil, black pepper. Let that cook and reduce a little bit, no, hanggang maging sticky yung ating glaze. Once it's sticky, look at that, ha. Once that's sticky, babalik natin yung ating pork chops. And because we seasoned our pork earlier, alam natin na very flavorful na rin yung ating pork sa loob. Yan! All you have to do is let that simmer for a while para sobrang kapit ng ating sauce. Very nice. Look at that. What I will do, I will let that rest for a while. And ito, meron lang akong konting vegetables which we sauteed. Very simple side vegetables on the side. Spread lang natin siya ng ganyan. And you can use whatever vegetable you want. Ang vegetable natin, lightly seasoned lang ng salt, no? Because very flavorful na ating pork chop. Pwede mong gawin is just slice it on top. So easy to eat. Dapat ganun lang, no? Hindi siya fully cut para maganda yung presentation. Yan. And the other one. Look at that, no? Ating pork chops are not overcooked, no? You don't overcook your pork chops para very juicy pa rin siya and tender. Yan. And all we have to do now is pour over our sauce. Oh my God. Sobrang dali ng ating Asian barbecue flavored pork chops, no? Ganadong-ganado ako pumasok pag ganito yung aking baon. Kaya eto, try these recipes. Sobrang simple, pero special na special ang dating ang ating pork chop baon 3 ways. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!